This video lesson I will show you how to download and install MT4 indicator where you can get the value of a pip inside the chart inside the trading platform. This is how the pip calculator looks like when you do all the steps that I will show you right now after a few seconds. So in the upper left corner you will see your deposit currency, which is USD. You can see that in the bottom left corner. Then you have a lot size that you have requested, and this can be changed. The settings are set to 1 at the beginning, and you have a value of 1 point, which is $1, 1.0, and you have value of 1 pip, which is $10 for the one lot size. So this is for the currency, currency pair currently you have on the chart. It is Euro USD. And below that you have profit and loss, which are also calculated, and they have been set as 1 pip at the beginning, which can be also changed, and I will show you how to do that. Just pay attention that the 1 pip and also 1 point is a different number, so 1 point is 1 pipette, and that is the 5th decimal in this currency symbol price point. So it is 1.0991, and the last one, the digit, currently it is 0, is 1 pipette. So this is 1 point, and the 1 pip is 10 times bigger, which is the last, it is the 4th digit in the price point. So let's start from the beginning. If you want to download this indicator for the MT4 trading platform, and pay attention, this cannot be used on the MT4 trading platform and also on the mobile version for the MT4 and MT5. It is only for the PC version of MT4. So let's go to the website Get Trading, and here you will see a button to download this indicator. Click on it, and then you need to save it inside the indicator folder inside the trading platform that you are currently using. So first of all, go to the trading platform. First of all, sorry, I will remove this indicator from the list so we can go from the beginning. Delete this one, and this is the list where it is located. So open the folder of this trading platform, and to do that, go to the file, click Open Data Folder, and you will see the link and the path of this folder inside your PC. Click on it, copy it, and now go back here where you want to download. Now inside this video, change the path and put this one that you have copied for the MT4 trading platform. Click OK. And here you will have several folders. You need to select MQL folder, and inside that you will see an indicators folder. Inside these indicators you need to save this one, which is a zipped file. Click Save, and this one will be saved inside that folder. Now go inside that folder, Show in Folder, and you need to extract this one or unzip it. Simply click the right mouse button and select 7-zip and click to extract to. Immediately you will get that pip calculator indicator inside this folder. So just a minute, I need to refresh this one. Here it is already from the past, so you will have it also. When you do that, you will have this one here. Okay? So if you do not have 7-zip, maybe you have any other that can be used to extract the zipped file. So if you do not have it 7-zip on your PC, but if you are using Windows, you will have it automatically. Then after that, you can go back to the trading platform, then open it, and under indicators, you will find this indicator installed. Simply drag and drop it on the chart, and you will get here a window which you need just simply click OK. After that you will get this indicator in the upper left corner where you have all these details, where you can see for the Euro USD the value of 1 pip is $10 for one standard lot. So to change these values, Simply click the right mouse button, go to indicators list and click the edit. Then you have this window with three variables that you can change. First one is a lot size, which can be changed. For example, let's put to 2 and click OK. Immediately you will see a change here in the upper left corner where the lot size request is set to 2 and the value of 1.1 pip has been changed, also for the profit and loss. Now value of 1 pip will be $20 because we have used a lot size which is equal to 2. Now you can go back and change again. You can set back to the 1 or any other values that you want. Click OK and the indicator will populate with the new data here. Okay, here it is. It is lot size is 1 and the pip value of 1 pip is $10. Now let's get back and change the values for profit target and stop loss. For example, let's say you have 150 and stop loss, for example, 50. When you click OK, indicator will change and it will populate the profit and the loss in US dollars. The profit is for 150 pips and the loss is for 50 pips because we have value of 1 pip, $10. So when you multiply loss 50 pips multiplied with 10, you get 500 US dollars. It is the same for the profit. So this can be easily used for calculating risk and the reward. So you can see how to calculate the profit and the stop loss for a trade that you want to open. So for example, if you would like to open a trade here at this position 1.099 and the stop loss would be placed, for example, here at 1.0996. Well, let's take larger numbers, it will be easier to calculate. This one is too close. For example, you open a sell order, which means you expect that the price will go down. So the stop loss should be placed above. Let's put here at 1.11, which could be easily 1125 points from the current price. So this would be 112.5 pips. So if you put this one inside this value for the stop loss, and that is 112.5, click OK, OK, and here it is. The loss on this trade would be $1,125 because 112 pips multiplied with $10 for the one lot, it would be this value. So it is the same if we calculated the target profit, which is, for example, 3415. Let's put this one value here. 345, for example, 345 pips. Click OK, OK, and this is it. This is it. Now you have a profit in US dollars, which would be $3,450 if you would open this trade with this take profit and the stop loss. So if you would like to change again the lot size so you do not lose so much money, for example, you can put 0.1. Click OK, OK, confirm it, and this is it. Now you can see the value of 1 pip would be $1 US. With this profit and the stop loss levels, you would lose $112 and the profit would be $345. So if you would like to change the values of the lot size and also profit and loss, you can do that by changing the settings so you can see how much on a trade that you are planning to open you would make or lose. So this MT4 indicator is very helpful, and if you would like to have it on other symbols, simply change this symbol on this chart or simply click and drag and drop it, release it, and immediately the indicator will change the values for the GBP USD. You can see that this currency pair, which is currently on the chart, is immediately changed inside these values. Okay, you can see the details. So if you would like to change for any other, for example, let's say US 30, it will change immediately. You can see that the value of 1 pip is $0.001 with the lot size, which is 0.1, which is a mini lot. So the profit and loss would be for 345 pips would be $0.345, and also the loss for 50 pips would be sorry, it's not 50, it is another one, let's check, it is 112. Okay, this is very helpful tool, so you do not need to make the manual calculation. With the online calculator, you have immediately on the trading platform, on the chart, what you need for trading. So I hope this is very helpful for you. If you have any questions regarding the MT4 pip value calculator, please feel free to leave a comment or send me an email over a contact page. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!